and we're going to do half double crochets, but we're only going to do them in the back loop. So you can see right here, there are 2 loops. This is what we normally go under. We go under these 2 loops to work most of our typical stitches. For this particular stitch, we're just going to work in the back loop, the loop farthest away from you. So instead of going under both, you're going to come down through the middle of the stitch and just under this back loop. So we start with the first one. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go into the same stitch as my slip stitch right here under this back loop. I'm going to pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on, yarn over and pull through. So let's do it again. Yarn over, go down just under that back loop, pull up a loop, 3 loops on, yarn over, pull through.